Hey there, CS50W. This is Bhashwar Gupta with the submission for Project 2 Commerce, and this is my implementation for the auction website. So let's get logged in and get started. Right, so this is the home page for our website, and you can see these are all the active listings that are currently on the website. And we can also add to this by creating a listing here. So let me create a listing here. Right, we can add a starting bid, we can add a URL, we can add a category here, and we create a listing, and you can see that it's now displayed in the active listings grid. Right, we can also browse listings via categories. Right, we can click on any one of these categories and it will list all the listings in that category. These are links, we can visit them, visit the listing page. Right, we can also add to watch list like so by clicking this button. Right, now the item has been added. We can now go to the watch list and you can see that this item has been added to the watch list. We can also access the watch list via the drop down. You can delete it as well from the watch list by clicking this delete button, and it's no longer there. So let's go back to the listing that we had just created. So this is a listing page with the title, the image, the starting and the current price. Now since this user Bhashwar has created this listing, he can only close the bidding and not bid on it, right? You have some description for the listing, and then you have the comment section. So let me first add some comments here. Right, add comment here, and you can see that the comment has been added here. Okay, so now let's start bidding on it, but Bhashwar can bid on it, so we have to log in with a different user. So let's log in with, let's say, Nikki, right? And once we log in with Nikki, we go to that particular listing, and Nikki has the ability to place a bid on this item. So let's add to watch list first, right? And now let's place $9 bid here, and once I press this place bid button, it shows us that value must be greater than or equal to 10, which is the current price. So we can't bid lower than the current price, we have to bid higher than the current price. So let me bid 11 and place the bid, and you can see that the bid is now submitted and the current price has been updated to 11. Okay, so let's say now Bhashwar goes on and closes the auction for this particular listing. So let's log in with Bhashwar, right, and go to this listing here and close the bidding on it. Okay, now for Bhashwar and other users, you can see that it shows Nikki has won this auction, but for Nikki the information is a little different, right? Let's log in with Nikki and see what happens here. Right, you can see that the listing has gone because it's closed by Bhashwar now, so it's no longer active, but we had added to watch list and we can access it from there. And you can see that to Nikki it shows you have won this auction because Nikki won this auction, right? So that was pretty much it for the website. Now let's go to the Django admin interface and see how we can add manipulate the database. So let me log in with the admin, right? So this is the Django admin interface. You can see we have defined 4 models here, one for comments, one for listings, one for all the users, and one for the watch lists. Okay, now you can add or update or delete, basically do the CRUD operations on the database via this interface. Let's say we want to delete the comment we had just created, like so. It will ask for confirmation and it will successfully delete it. We can also make changes, right? We can also make changes like this, right? And we can hit the save button like here, right? We can also add objects to any model by clicking this add button here. So this was pretty much it for the project number 2 commerce. Thank you for watching this video.